In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the rotation wizard to make multi-field edits to most of the information shown on the cropping screen. This video addresses changes that are made possible through the rotation wizard and are not shown in the other videos. These include copying crop years ahead, deleting cropping and application data, and changing rotational and MTN settings. Be sure to save a snapshot of your farm before making any edits in the rotation wizard. Then, open the rotation wizard. If you wish to copy cropping information from a certain crop year forward onto other crop years, choose Copy Crop and Application Data to Crop Years. In here, you can copy crops to other crop years, copy both crop and applications to other crop years, or delete applications from specified years that you can pick below. Crop years and corresponding applications can be deleted for fields through the Delete Crop and Application Data from Fields option. Here you can select which year you want to start deleting with, and choose to delete crop years before or after this year for the fields you select. Through the Edit Rotational Settings option, you can make comprehensive changes to multiple fields' rotation settings. This includes changing rotation length, start year, whether or not the field is farmed on the contour or is in contour strips, or if there are edge of field or in-field filter strips. In this example, I'm going to use this feature of the rotation wizard to edit the starting year of the rotation for all of my fields. I want to change the start year of my fields from 2019 to 2020, so I'm going to select all of my fields, then click Next. Uncheck No Change under the Starting Year option and change the year from 2019 to 2020. Now click Next, and then Apply and Continue or Apply and Exit. Now you can see the starting year has changed when you go back to the cropping screen. Finally, you can use the Edit MTN Data selection to change the MTN data for chosen fields. The MTN price ratio and range point can be changed for either corn grain or wheat for specified years and fields. Enter in the price of corn and the price per pound of nitrogen to calculate the appropriate price ratio. As you can see, the rotation wizard can be useful for so many things, saving you much needed time and energy. We hope these tutorials on using the rotation wizard have been helpful. This is the end of the tutorials on using the copy, delete, and edit choices in the rotation wizard.